Hey everyone, it feels good to be back and do another video on the gaming channel because I haven't done a video in so long on this channel for like a week or something. I think more than a week. And hold on. Let me just I'll be 1 second. Boom, face cam. Okay, but today we're going to be playing a game called Will You Press the Button, as you can see by the top of the screen. So, you get Angry Birds and all of its variants for free, but you can only use the green bird. That's stupid. Okay, so look, there. Yeah, first of all, it's already free, as this guy said. Oh, that's a cuss word. Okay. Anyways, yeah, like that's stupid. You get all of the birds, and then you can only use one. That's And you have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere. You lack the materials needed and always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. Yeah, that's life. I can build anything, but I need the materials. Okay, that's life for ya. Scott said this is like life is already.
What? Yeah. What are you looking at?
A game called Will You Press the Button. It says you have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere, but you lack the materials needed and always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. You already have to do that.
Wait, so would you press the button? What do you mean?
So you can press the button. Or you
if
can't.
What? Wait, why would you press the button?
For yes, and then no isn't just.
Go to the toilet without a sound, but you can hear.
No, that's stupid. Olivia, are you done with your reading homework?
No.
What are
you will
reading?
live a good.
All you have to do is read the summary. Okay. That's
you
fine.
will have.
You will live a good and peaceful life. The person you love the most won't be a part of it. Well, so my family. So I won't be the part of my good and peaceful. Haha.
No.
Ads.
Sorry about its phone. It's a little.
Ads. Okay. Olivia, start writing your summary.
No, hold on.
Dun 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 dun. Why is it taking so long to load?
Because
Here it is. Become the world's greatest detective and gain master fighting skills, but your parents are killed in front of you. The man who killed them adopts you, and you can't harm him. No,
that's like the worst.
Let's see. Wait, hold on. If I'm in home, then where did I run this? Oh, you have to do a login. You know what? Why not? Let me just do a login and.
You want me to mark some good ones?
Boom, created my account, and no, be quiet, Olivia. I am back in the video.
Oh, hi.
Hello, everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so now let's go to. Oh, I don't have any favorites, so those are just favorites you get. So this is gonna take a while. But guys, I think since this is taking so long,
end the video.
And I do need this video to end to make another video
on your other account, which is called
Godzilla Vlogs. Go subscribe, link in the description. And I'll see all you epic guys and gals
I just want to say one thing.
later.
No, wait, I want to say something. I have a very rare crayon. Guys, if you have dandelion crayon at home, keep it.
Bye, guys!
No!